Let's get started with our today's video. Take a thin strip and make a face over it. Now roll it into the form of this and place eyes, and this snail is ready. Take another floral sheet and then you simply have to cut this, or you simply have to fold this sheet. After folding it, you can make this. Now insert them in between and then this tissue box is ready. Now cut this shape of a butterfly from this sheet and make a hole inside it. After making a hole, what you are going to do is you can simply insert cello tape over it and then see how perfectly it flies. Now you have to take another circular sheet and you have to fold it. After folding it, you can cut them into these strips. After cutting them like strips, you can simply unfold it and roll them. After rolling the petals, you can simply fold them into this specific manner. Now see with the help of a glue how you have pasted it, and take another sheet for the rolling effect. After rolling it, and then you can make a flower out of this. You can see that how the pedicle is being made, and insert the floral bud on the top of it and your flower is ready. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.